In the still waters of a tropical river, danger lurks beneath the surface. A massive crocodile waits patiently, eyes glinting. On the bank, a monitor lizard drinks, unaware it has become the next target. The crocodile inches forward, every movement calculated, silent, deadly. The monitor lizard twitches its tail, sensing something, but too late. The predator below has chosen its moment to strike. With lightning speed, the crocodile lunges. Its jaws snap shut just inches from the lizard's body. The monitor lizard darts sideways, claws scratching the mud, narrowly avoiding a deadly bite. The river erupts in chaos as predator and prey face off. The monitor lizard strikes back, claws tearing at the crocodile's snout. The crocodile thrashes violently, jaws snapping and tail slamming. Mud and water fly as the battle intensifies. A deadly dance of strength and survival in the river. Seizing a split-second opportunity, the monitor lizard scrambles up a tree root, narrowly escaping the snapping jaws. The crocodile lunges one last time, but the prey survives, if only for now. Who would have won this river ambush? The unstoppable crocodile or the cunning monitor lizard? Tell us in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe now to PD Wild Truth for more jaw-dropping wild battles you can't miss.